Today I will introduce the installation of the sensor software. First, insert the installation USB drive. There are 3 files in the USB drive. They are the calibration file, driver, and software installation program. Open the installation program to install. The software is installed by default in the D drive. Check to create a desktop shortcut. After the software is installed, then install the driver. After installation, open the software. In the top menu bar, select Help and click Register. Fill in the clinic information. Generate a QR code. Send the QR code to our staff. The staff will reply with an activation code. Enter the activation code below. After filling in, select Code Activate. The software shows, "Congratulations, software has been registered successfully," which means it is complete. Another activation method. You can also provide the request file to the staff. Click Export Request File. Then send the file to the staff. After receiving it, the staff will send you an activation file based on the request file. You can then click Import Activation File below. To activate the software,